Good morning, students. We are going to start a new short story, Upper Division Love by Manohar Malgaonkar in our today's class. Manohar Malgaonkar, born in 1913, is one of the most distinguished Indian novelists and short story writers. His rich experience of military life and princely India has enabled him to use this material in his writings. In Beware Bombay, he presents situations from army life. A Toast in Warm Wine portrays civilian life with the same vigor and pungency. He is also the author of Distant Drum, A Bend in the Ganges, A Sky in Amber, Combat of Shadows, and The Devil's Wind. Upper Division Love is the story of a small clerk's infatuation with the famous film star Sundar Bala and his subsequent disillusionment through jealousy and humiliation. After a series of dramatic incidents, the lower division clerk realizes not only the utter futility of his passion but also the artificiality and hollowness of the film world. Now we begin with the short story, and the story begins with the description of the passion of this protagonist of the story. His name is not revealed. He is a lower division clerk in an office, and he is infatuated with Sundar Bala, who is a film actress. There were 3 photographs of her in my room and 1 in my wallet. I had seen every picture in which she had acted. I knew all her songs in the slightest meaningful pause, and once I was so carried away by an enormous poster of her in front of the Bolero Theatre that I gave up my place in the bus queue to be able to gaze at it longer. But the first time I saw her in real life, how I wish one could whistle in print. A long, low whistle would express my feelings more than any words I know. I was standing at the stationery counter of Bachchamji's store and trying to catch the salesman's eye when her car stopped at the entrance. The 2 bodyguards who invariably accompanied her got out and came striding in, their long hair and flimsy knee-length shirts worn over chudidar pajamas, marking them out as filmy people. So students, this is the description that the writer has given about himself, that he is infatuated with this particular actress Sundar Bala, and he has her photographs all over his room and even in his wallet, and he had seen her only in movies. But one day when he went to a stationery shop, he saw her in person, and he had gone there to purchase something, and then he saw that Sundar Bala also came there to purchase something, and obviously she was surrounded by her bodyguards because she was a film star. And this is the actual first meeting of the protagonist and Sundar Bala. So how the story will progress further, we'll know what interaction takes place, if any, takes place between Sundar Bala and the protagonist, and what is his reaction and how things progress. That we'll study in our coming classes, and it is a very beautiful story by Manohar Malgaonkar, and the feelings of the main character, the protagonist, have been depicted very beautifully. So we'll study about it in our coming classes. That is all for today. Thanks.